What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm giving you all a property tour for two reasons. Number one, to show you a beautiful home, and number two, to show you what $677,000 can get you in Texas. Now, this home is 4,530 square feet. It boasts double doors, double stairs, double everything. And I'm not gonna talk anymore, I'm just gonna show you, so let's get started. Alright guys, so when you're coming into a home at this magnitude and beauty, you gotta make sure to ring. You just gotta make sure to ring in case anybody's on the inside. So, shh, we can take our shoes off and we're gonna walk in real quick. Coast is clear. Oh, hold up. Before I take you guys inside, I want to emphasize for you the beauty of the brick color. Guys, I don't know what color you would like. Would you like red brick? Would you like white brick? Would you like brown brick? I don't know, but for me, I love this color because I feel it has a lot of brightness to it. And in fact, the street is called Bright Point, so a lot of brightness already when you first come to the street. I love this brick color, but let's continue with the video. We made sure nobody's inside already, so we're good to go. All right, guys, now as soon as you walk in, you are welcomed with my absolutely favorite thing of this entire home, which is the double staircase. Now, this isn't just any double staircase. You're talking about real wood staircase. You're talking about double toned. You're talking about the white face with the dark brown stairs. It is an absolute beauty. Now, some days I wake up, I want to go on the right side. Some days I wake up, I might want to go on the left side. It just depends what kind of mood you're in and what you want to do that day. But the world is limitless when you're in this home. Okay, so the room we're in right now is the formal dining and formal living. And what I love about it is you got 4 bay windows. And not only that, but the formal living connects with it seamlessly. On top of me, you could see all that crown molding detail, the trim on the bottom. It is just an absolute beauty. And the floors, real hardwood floors that just make everything look so good. Now, on the left side, this is what you have, but as you continue to the right side, of course, you got the double stairs, the beautiful double stairs. As you're continuing here, you have a full bathroom, not a half bathroom, which is typically a half bathroom over here. You got a full bathroom, you got granite countertops, you got a walk-in shower, nice size and nice space, which is honestly amazing. Now you continue in here, you can do whatever it is that you want to do. Bunch of windows. For me personally, this would be my office, but you have a lot of space, high ceilings throughout the house, and it's an absolute monster. Now guys, in life you want options. You want to walk into your house and be able to go left, right, and even straight. Now between the double stairs, we are going to continue on going straight, and we are being welcomed with the family living room that is absolutely enormous. I can hear my voice echo. High ceilings, a bunch of windows, floor to ceiling windows, and a beautiful open concept kitchen. I'm talking about a huge island. I'm talking about cabinets that are well lit and have lights in them. I'm talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gas cooktop with a luxury Vena hood. This is just beautiful. And you know, sometimes you're just chilling and you're doing the dishes, or you're cooking up your steak or your chicken and whatnot. And it's so nice to know that you got family right in front of you. You got a big 75-inch plasma TV right over the fireplace, and everything connects so good. Now pay attention to the stainless steel appliances. You got a microwave, you got an oven, you got a second oven, you got your dishwasher right here. Everything just flows too good to be true. Now you guys are probably wondering, where in the world am I sitting? I'm sitting right here, right now, in the kitchen area. Now over here you'd have the kitchen table. All of this can be used as chairs, and then you'd have the food sitting over here. So you got in the kitchen, space for a kitchen table, and then the open concept throughout the entire house. Now, one thing that's so good about a home is to have a great floor plan. And this floor plan, it gives you everything from privacy to entertainment to whatever it is that you want. Now, I'm walking right here into the master bedroom. Now, anywhere I go, I can hear my echo. Why? High ceilings, and also because it's an empty house, but it's a big house, so that's why. Now, welcome yourself into the master bedroom that has, like always, a ton of windows, natural light, real hardwood floors, just a beauty all around. And as we're sitting over here, guys, you have to vision yourself. Relax, laying down, the bed's over here, the plasma TV is over there. Sometimes you have a bed, but really you don't want to be on the bed. So you can come over here, and the cool thing is, you could be over here, and somebody else could be over there, and you still got space. Now we're gonna utilize the bathroom. I'm gonna give you guys a 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now the first thing that I notice in front of me is a floating bathtub. Now, what I like to do with floating bathtubs is, I like to take off my shoes. I like to get in them. And I like to just float and think about life. Sometimes you just gotta float. Now, what I would do over here is, I would get me probably a caramel macchiato from Starbucks, and I would just have it right here. It's gonna be cold, of course, not hot. And I'll just be thinking of life, thinking of this beautiful home, thinking of the walk-up shower, thinking of all the granite in this home, thinking of the open concept kitchen and the family living, thinking of just how beautiful this home is. That's what I would do in this bathtub. And as I'm doing it, I'm floating. That's why they call this a floating bathtub, because you just float. All right, guys, so we just finished with being in the floating bathtub. Now you got a his and you got a hers. Of course, the hers is always bigger than the his, so granite countertops, nice space, and most importantly, it gives you what it is you need. Now over here, you got a walk-in shower, a lot of space in here, and not only that, but you got a chair over here because sometimes you just gotta think when you're in the shower. They say that the best ideas come when you're in the shower. I still don't know why, it still never happened to me. My best ideas come at 5 a.m. in the morning, but that's what they say. Now, throughout the bathroom, you also have your walk-in closet. Walk-in closet that I wonder, what would you put in here? What would you hang over here? What kind of shoes would you put over here? Because I already know what I would put, but what would you put? A lot of space, a lot of light, and a lot of opportunity. So now as you're leaving the master bedroom, this is exactly what you see. You see the kitchen, you see the family living space, and you see a lot of nice things in front of you. And we are now gonna be taking you all up the stairs. Now, up the stairs, there's a lot of options. You can go on the right set of stairs, you can go on the left set of stairs, but I'm gonna pick the right because I'm feeling good and I like to feel right, so I'm gonna go to the right. Now, we're walking up the stairs and cruising. We're paying attention to all this wrought iron and all this detail. And once we come up here, we notice that we can still see the entire downstairs. Now, when you're up here, you can make the calls of what you want. You can make the calls and say, hey, you put a little too much salt on my food. You could say, hey, I want orange juice, I didn't want lemonade. And you can see what they're putting you before they even come up. I love it. Now guys, one thing that's so important in a house is to entertain. Now, if you can't entertain in this space, I don't know what you can do in your life. All of this space is open. Right here you have a spot that you could put your pool table, you could put the poker table, you could put whatever table you want. And then also down here, it gives you a two-step down to give you a feeling that you just entered a new room into a new world. Now over here, this is the theater room. Theater room has a lot of windows. Typically a theater room doesn't have a lot of windows, but this home does. Why? Because it can. And it's simple for you to block that out, and it's simple for you to keep it because not everybody wants a theater. In the theater room, you guys know the rules. It's the Dallas Cowboys, the Dallas Mavericks, and nothing else. Now, as you're walking around, you find yourself into a space over here that you could probably put the poker table here. That's probably where I would put it. And you can also put a little basketball hoop where, you know, the games that you can just shoot up a little basketball. That's something nice where you shoot it, comes right back to you. Enough space for that. Now, we're gonna start going into the bedrooms. You walk down some stairs, you get into this bedroom. High ceiling, 2 windows. I'm telling you guys, windows is everything and this home has it all. Now you also have nice closets. Now we're gonna continue. Full bathroom. Look at the detail in this bathroom. You got beautiful flooring. You got granite countertops. You got a beautiful set into the bathtub. It's got it all. All right, guys, now we got a lot of rooms here. We got a room here, another room there, another room there, and there's a lot of rooms. All big, spacious, high ceiling, and give you more than you can ask for. Now, when you're upstairs, I want you to pay attention. Look at all these windows and what you could see through it. You got a very nice sized backyard, lush green grass, and a lot of things that you could do in there for a home at this size. Anyways, guys, this is the video that we have for you. Double doors, double staircase, and a magnitude of anything you want can be done in this home. Anyways, this is the property tour that we have for you. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. I hope all of you saw what $677,000 can get you in Texas And most importantly, I had a lot of fun doing this. I hope y'all did as well. Don't forget, like the video and subscribe, because every single week we got new content coming at you, better than the content before the content that you saw. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. And instead of me being out, you guys are being out. We'll see y'all later.